Hi everyone, we are back for this morning's spot prize giveaway game, and we have Mr. Charlie, and we also have Franny Vans is here helping me to...
And we got shiny coins in.
Oh, she wants to just tell you she has a little purse on her wrist, and look, we're going to show you all. She has, what do you have inside?
A wrist and shiny coins.
Shiny coins, and what are we going to do with those shiny coins?
And I have a phone, because Nanny get it for me because it was mine.
She's got a pretend phone as well. So, right, we are here with this...
Because it doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work. It's pretend. It doesn't work, but we pretend, don't we? Yeah. Right. Okay. So we are back with the spot prize giveaway game. Just a couple of things to tell you. I have added some more goodies into the giveaway. So we have this lovely stamp set, and it's got these lovely paintbrushes and paints and things
and I doesn't have a cough now. It's going.
Oh, she doesn't have a cough now. It's gone. And what do we have here?
A mermaid there.
We have a mermaid. Now, this is made with a dye that I've been just doing some samples from AliExpress.
And that's a flower.
And that's a flower. So I'm going to pop this in. Look at this gorgeous mermaid. And this is made with a dye, which I will be showing on another video. Very cute.
And I doesn't have a tail.
She doesn't have a tail either. And we also have this lovely tag.
I'm going to Greece.
She's going to Greece. Because why are you going to Greece?
Because my wife's test. I'm having the wife's test too. And does he have...
You've got to be a bridesmaid.
Does he have a...
Jessie's...
Does he got a... Make a wife's test? And...
Shh, you mustn't say too much because it's to do with the question today. But we're going to Greece because Nanny's getting married, isn't she? And who's Nanny marrying?
Mummy?
No, not Mummy. Who's who is Nanny's? Who's Nanny's boyfriend? Do you know?
Tony.
Tony, that's right. But he's going to be my husband soon. How exciting. Right, so we also have...
You need a crown and a hat.
I need a crown and a hat.
No, not a hat. A crown.
A crown. Okay, we need to tell people about this cat. Look, it's a magic cat, isn't it?
It's a rich cat.
A rich cat? Oh, okay. And this is made with a tag from AliExpress and also another dye. And I've been experimenting, so I thought I would put this really fun tag in. And this one here, which is made with a tag set.
This is a tag.
What is this? This is a lovely thing with a... Do you know what that is?
Flower.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly, yes, it's a butterfly. Right, okay, just a couple of things to just tell you. We have lots of people taking part in this fun prize game now. I've got to be careful not to uncover how well you've done.
Nail polish.
Oh, okay.
We have...
Can I just talk for 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay, think about it and tell me in a minute while I just say this, what I've got to say. So we have lots of people taking part. We've got It's My Playhouse, Judith McPherson, La Chica Baby One, Philomena Soso, Christine Mortimer, Dolly Debs, Arlene Solly, This and That Michelle, Debbie, Elle, I'm going to call you because I never pronounce your name right, honey, you know I don't, Sue Harvey, Tracy Dale, Claire Sykes, Seri, Pinky Noble, Mrs. Stationery and Stuff, Christine's Cards and Things, Thurid, Angie Beaumont, My Crafts, Leda Pennock, Joanne Sanderson and Jackie McFall. Now, obviously, if you're only just tuning in to the third day, you can go back and answer the questions for day 1 and 2. And I just have to say, a couple of you, La Chica Baby One, Claire Sykes, Angie Beaumont, My Crafts and Jackie McFall, you only answered yesterday's or the day before. You haven't answered both days, so go back and have a look so you can have a go at the other questions and get more points. And so today's question is this: How many bridesmaids am I having? Am I having 4 or am I having 5? Now, hopefully you wasn't paying too much attention to what Franny Van was saying, because you might be able to count them up. Right, I'm not saying any more about bridesmaids, but that's the question. How many bridesmaids am I having? 4 or 5? Leave your answer below. And I shall see you all tomorrow. But just want to see if Franny has anything else to say before we go. Is there anything you want to say before we go? You've forgotten now, haven't you? What would you like to go and do now? Now we've finished this video, what do you want to do now? Do you want to say goodbye? Okay, shall we say goodbye then? Shall we say bye from Charlie? Bye from
Me. You.
Nanny? And bye from
Me.
me, Franny.
Franny.
You're Franny. They don't know who me is.
And again.
Okay. Bye from... Who's he? Bye from... Charlie.
Charlie.
Bye from... Nanny. And bye from...
Francesca.
Francesca. We got there in the end. Yay.
Only one more.
One more what? What do you want to do? You want to do another video? All right, we'll see what we can find to do. See what I mean? I'm not doing child labour and all that, getting her to get on the video. She comes round and she's like, Nanny, can we do a video? Don't you? You're so beautiful. I don't know, but we'll sort that out in a minute. So let's say bye, and we'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.